Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will be using Python and some powerful libraries to analyze drone imagery, calculate spectral indices like NDVI and NDRE, and even estimate canopy height and foliar area. These are the outlines setting up the environment Google Colab, libraries, data, how we will use Google Lab, and how we can install and use libraries as well data. Data preparations will include to composite RGB bands, clipping, resampling, and then calculating spectral indices as shown, creating a leaf index area map, extracting data from polygons and mask, generating a data frame, and then we will discuss summary of the video. Let's start it. We will be working with Geobetter Notebook in Google Colab, a fantastic free platform for data science and machine learning. Open a web browser such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Sign in with your Google account. If you don't have, you can create free. Okay, just type Google Colab and here select new notebook. I hope this helps you get started with Google Colab. First thing first, we need to install necessary libraries like pip install Rasterio. Then then we need to mount Google Drive. Here is we can run our code from this play button or we can use control enter as well. It will take a few seconds. Okay, after taking 14 seconds, the Rasterio library has been installed. Then we will move towards to build Google Drive. When we click on it, it will take some time and will uh, allow to connect to Google Drive. So when we click on it, Drive have been mounted. So to import libraries, let's import those libraries and defines the paths. These are the libraries which we have been installed before and now we are calling them to come like Matplotlib to draw the results. Rasterio will help us to modify or to analyze raster as well. GeoPandas to handle the shape files like that and then show mask and resampling as we have been discussed. So we are calling them and this is the path we have to mount and our data is present in the Google Drive. So this is the path where my data set is available and which type of data set this is. You can see here, this is the drone imagery. This will be provided in the description of the video and the this is canopy height meter. We also calculate through using Python and this is drawn mappers dem and area of interest. This will be we will clipping here and other as well. This is our data set. Back to our coding part. So this is the path and when we run this one and it will take some seconds and then this is the area of interest and as well some other shape files which are required. The error was due to as we not have been installed the required GeoPanda at the start. but when we apply here and this error has been removed. Okay, these are the shapefiles we called, and now we are going to read RGB bands from the image. So this is RGB composite from our orthomosaic image which I have shown. Okay, next, to get better view, we can display the RGB image along with the AOI. So we are going to normalize RGB bands. This is to create RGB composite. Okay, next, to maximize the image, okay, it will providing us this one, and this is for reshaping. Next, present the image with polygons. Now we are going the image which I have shown with our polygons. So we are providing boundaries. After providing to display the RGB image with our area of interest and boundaries, we are providing. As I have been told you that the Matplotlib which we have been using to display the provided images in the, now the required image has been shown here using this one code. After calling, okay, let's move towards analysis. Area of interest. Now we are going to clip the canopy height. This is the function get features, and as well the geometries as we have been provided, and providing some JSON files as well to clip. So we have provided above the paths. These are some to call them and to clip them. Let's run the code and it will take some few seconds, and after that it has been created. The now we are going towards how we can resample our images to streamline our process. Let here, this is the code for resampling. We have been provided the path as well height, width, and using rasterio image. Next step is to create directory where we want to save our images. Like this is I have provided clip name and clip for CHMS, the RGB image clip. So when we run this code as well, this will clip and save the outputs. To open the, if now we are going to open our clipped images. So this is the code and we are waiting for a few seconds. Okay, the code has been run. Next, to open the clipped image, the above provided was an image that was containing higher area, but we want just only for our area of interest. So to get required height and width, next we have been resampled RGB image, but now we are going to canopy height meter model image. So it has been be resampled the to the required height and width, so that the third one image also streamlined with the as we have been provided above. Now we are moving towards actual analysis. So we are going to create spectral indices and slice them with the area of interest. Again, to read the resembled CHMS image in TIFF form. After providing, we are going to shape. Okay, to read image data, source image dot read, and to check image shape whether it has been created or not. Okay, next, the next step and important step is to calculate NDVI. So we are going to normalize bands. This has been normalized. Next step is to set numpy error handling so that there will be no error. Okay, to calculate NDVI, here is the formula. As we know, this is N near infrared and this is the red band. So providing this, it will create NDVI. Okay, now we want to show the results. Here is the figure. This size should be this, title should be like this, and the other labels as well. This will take some few seconds, and now you can see here is the result for the clipped area image. At the start the image was larger, but as we have been run our code for the clip, so this is the result we can see here. And we created normalized difference vegetation index. Okay, next step again, to copy the metadata along this file, we run this one, and now to save our NDVI as a geotiff, we run this one. And next target our is to calculate NDRE. So, and here is the formula, the red edge band we are using here. So same way we want to show the result are NDRE. This will be provided in few seconds. Here is the NDRE results. You can see here. Okay, save the NDVI image just like we did with NDVI. So the same code, just the naming convention has been changed. Now like this, we also have thermal data. This is here. Let's visualize. Visualize have been done using different color maps and represent temperature variations. We can see here is higher temperature, where is low temperature. This can be valuable for identifying stress related to heat and water. Okay, same to save as well as we did before. Now the next one, we will create leaf area map by combining the NDVI and canopy height model. Data we will apply threshold to isolate vegetation. This is our canopy height model. This will be visualized in few seconds. Okay, this is the canopy height model, which is providing the heights of the plants present in our study area. Okay, here is we can see the heights in meters. Okay, let's generate the leaf area map with NDVI, and this one we have been. Okay, shade. Now we are applying threshold to NDVI. This should be the minimum NDVI threshold. Next one we are going to threshold to show, and it will take few seconds. And now we can see here is the results for canopy heights. Okay, same way threshold we are going to apply canopy height model, and we can visualize as well as before. This is the result. Okay, next, to create mask for the plant using bitwise, and this is okay. Now how much is this study area name is foliar, the area will be visualized with this is the where canopy height या leaf area map has, where is the trees are present in the area. Next is to copy or save the metadata, and same we can use to save this output in geotiff form. That's why we are using like this. And next we can use both polygons and binary area to mask the extract information and generating data frame, so that we can use for our train. In the next video we will talk about machine learning, and for this one we have prepared our data to run our machine learning model. So this is the code. The like all has been information data frames generating. Once the loop has processed all plots, we will have list containing all extracted data. We can then combine these lists into a pandas data frames, which is powerful structure for analyzing. So we have done this one, and to create arrays, and this is the prepared dataset which we will be using in the next video. So in this video, we explored the process of analyzing drone imagery to extract valuable information for precision agriculture. We started by setting up environment in Google Colab, preparing our data by creating RGB composite, clipping images, resample the them for alignment. We then calculated key spectral indices like NDVI, NDRE, visualizing their spatial distributions. To understand plant health and vigor, we also visualize thermal data to identify potential stress areas. To further our analysis, we created a leaf area map by combining NDVI, CHMS data, allowing us to isolate and quantifying vegetation within our plots. Finally, we extracted the range of data for polygons above, polygons and leaf area mass, including filler, percentage cover volume, average height, mean values for NDVI and NDRE, and temperature. This information was compiled into pandas data frames, providing a structure accessible formats for further analysis and decision making. By leveraging the power of Python and libraries like Rasterio, GeoPanda, and OpenCV, we demonstrated how to gain valuable information from drone imagery as we have been created. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any question or want to explore this topic further, see the comments as well the description of the video.